Hello again, this is Key Keeper, and today I have a special prize for all my subscribers. I got my John Deere 111 going. Look and see. How cool is that, or what?
Pretty cool. Seems like exactly half the tires might be low. But never fear, the Key Keeper's on the job. Well, you'll know the tires are inflated when it rolls down the driveway with ease.
Okay, well, let's do a drive around the block. What do you say, huh?
I don't know about around the block, but fire that bad boy up.
I feel like I'm going to be in a soapbox derby.
Yep, we know we got the tires inflated perfectly now. Got some noise in the clutch. Can't find them, grind them. Oh, now he's going to make me go faster. Better than a ride at the fair. Uh-oh. From the Unwise Experiments Department, the Key Keeper says he's going to try to do a wheelie. Probably right into, oh my, probably right into the old cold forgotten Buick. Is he going to try that again? He's having a lot of trouble with the reverse gear for some reason. Oh, I think he's running out of gas. Better find a gas can here. This does not sound good. This is not smart, in case anybody's wondering. Don't try this at home. Well, we're about as ready as we ever are around here. Personally, I think it's his dead man switch, because he's got it shorted with a bit of a Rube Goldberg invention. Still having trouble with the gears. But there he goes. He's playing with the dead man bypass that he's got wired in, and it's definitely making a difference. Don't do that either. That's not smart. If you ever fell off your lawn tractor, it'd be going to town without you. But it is moving, it does run. Wow, I almost thought my truck was going to pick up some unscheduled body work. And as you can very clearly see, well, you can sort of kind of clearly see, Bizarre Furhead has been destroying the interior. He's making me a new seat cover. Everything else is intact though. Oh, let's see what happened here. Oh, I almost took out his farm cart. But the real loss would have been the air conditioner. Now, if we get it to go into reverse, we can take care of the roach palace, too. Nobody will miss it.
It's a fun little tractor to drive. Haven't quite managed the wheelie out yet, but I will.
Well, we need to get it running right, too.
Anyway, I got to figure out why I don't have reverse gear and why I've got a noise on my transmission when the clutch is not depressed. Probably a pilot bearing or something. Okay.
Just-in-time school of lawn maintenance, lawn equipment maintenance. These are the implements that you've heard so much about. We have a mowing deck, wheel weights, a blade, or a plow, I guess you could call that, and a snowblower. The snowblower, of course, has shown up in a couple of videos because the keykeeper has been wondering how to attach it, and he hasn't had any epiphanies yet.
Well, anyway, stay tuned for future videos about the good old 111.